3, 2, 1. All new platform, all new series. Creativity and inspiration lead the way to innovation. 20 years experience in BGMS industry, selling to 135 countries and regions, serving more than 70 million diabetics. #1 production capacity in Asia. 7 research and development base in the world. 5 subsidiaries in Vietnam, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Bangladesh. Sinocare, the leading diabetes digital management expert in the world. The all-new BGM system, SafeAQ Max Series. 4 new features to make tests easier and faster. Smart, accurate, fast, easy. Smart, range indicator, color bars. Ketone reminder. Before and after meal makers. 7, 14, 30, 90 days overall before and after meal averaging. Accurate, fully compliant with the accuracy requirement of EN ISO 14197-2015. Composite silver electrode technology. Auto-coating technology. 17 electrode design. 9 electrodes in the front side for boot identification, calibration, sample judgment and testing. 8 electrodes in the back side for auto coating and secondary calibration. Wider HCT range in 10% to 70%, which is for children, adults, pregnant women, and elders. All new FAD, GDH enzyme technology leads to high temperature and humidity resistance. Fast, 5 seconds for test results. Quick response for after-sales service. Easy. Auto ejector button. Large LCD screen, which is easy to read. 500 memory data, which is easy to check the historical records. No coding. Equipped with a Sinocare lancing device, which is vertically painless. Smart, accurate, fast, easy. The 4 features make Sinocare products safe. Sinocare is devoted to presenting the all-new series in BGM industry.